Welcome back to my channel. And today I will show you how I make my carrot juice, guys. I have about, I would say 4 or 5 carrots that I cut into small pieces. I usually use a juicer, but it's so much work to clean that juicer itself. So this time around, I'm gonna go ahead and use my blender. So I'm gonna add my carrots to my blender. Now I'm gonna add some water. This is not tap water. I'm using filtered water. And we're gonna allow this to blend until nice and smooth. Well, let me go ahead and add my ginger in as well. And ginger, I'm not gonna add, I like ginger, so I'm gonna add maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pieces of ginger. So we're gonna blend this until nice and smooth, and then I'll come back and show you what else I add to this. All right, and it's nice and blended. Push that aside. All right, see, it's nice and orangey, nice and blended up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use a strainer, and we're gonna strain to get all of the liquid out. Start like that. I think I should have got a bigger bowl. That's fine. So once I strain it, I'll come back and show you the next steps. I strained my carrots, and this is what we're left with. Now I will go ahead and squeeze in a lime. You can do lemon, but I have lime, and we like lime in our carrot juice, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. Making juice is so simple, guys. There's no need to go buy juice from the stores, which have all these preservatives and everything else they put in it. And you can go now add your sugar to taste. That should be good, and I like to use raw cane sugar. Now I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Just a drop, because you do not want it to overtake your drink. And we're gonna stir it. And then you give it a taste. If it needs more sugar, then you just adjust it. I'm gonna show you the 2 different ways that I enjoy drinking it. And I'm not gonna put the spoon in my mouth. I am Surf Safe certified, so I know not to stick the spoon in my mouth. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some in the palm of my hand. Taste it. The sugar is perfect, but it is missing some more lemon. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add 1 more lemon. And what you wanna do is give it a taste just to make sure it has enough sugar, that you can taste the lime, the ginger. Okay, this is perfect where it's at. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it one more time. You see? So you must strain it twice. See how beautiful that carrot juice is? Guys, it is fabulous. Delicious. You can add evaporated milk to it. And this is my beet powder that I like to use as well. It is organic, non-GMO, guys, because my kids do not like beets. So I would just take a spoon of and stick it inside of my drink, and it is fabulous. It is healthy, especially for those who have low blood. Okay, guys, iron. If your iron is low, this is fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So until next time, guys, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Enjoy.